54 Chevy Panel Truck. What makes it rare is it's a 1-ton. It's a 38. You don't see many of those. The reason why I like them, when I grew up, my dad had 2 of them. They put up antennas and towers, and so that kind of gives you the idea for the panels. Putting a different motor in, and then the front end, we went to a Scott's Hot Rod front end on it. So luckily I'm blessed with a lot of good friends that know how to do a lot of things. So that was the hardest part about it, but luckily everybody comes together and you get stuff done. So, and Robbie, I think you said you interviewed him last year. But a good friend, so over the winter we painted this, I tore it apart, take stuff down to his shop, so that was the fun part about it. Well, like I say, just do your homework before, know what you want to do to it to start with, and there's so many places out there that you can get help from, and parts nowadays, it's just nice, so I think that'd make it a lot easier for them, but yeah, and then put your budget there and see where you're at.